A team of international scientists discovered two new super-Earth planets just 100 light-years away. Both are considerably larger than our planet, and one may be habitable. This video is quite interesting, as it only raises questions in everyone's mind. Questions such as, is the universe apart from Earth true? Why are scientists looking for a new planet? What is the name of the planet they discovered? Will we ever get to live on another planet? With these and loads of other questions on our minds, let's get started. An international research team uncovered two new super-Earth planets. Both planets are closer to Earth than 100 light-years away and are bigger than Earth. And one of them might even be healthy enough to live. Super-Earths are one of a special class of exoplanets in our solar system. NASA says they are lighter than the ice giants but bigger than our planet. According to the researchers' observations, the planets may be up to 10 times as massive as the Earth. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite of NASA made the discoveries. NASA scientists have been searching for additional habitable planets in conjunction with the University of Leeds' search for livable planets eclipsing ultra-cool stars SpaceX project. The Journal of Astronomy and Astrophysics will publish the study. The ability of a planet to support life depends on a complex web of interactions between the planet, the system it belongs to, and the star it orbits. A planet that can support life for an extended period is considered habitable. This necessitates a planet with liquid water. As far as researchers are aware, this water must be on the planet's surface to be seen from space. The livable zone is the area around a star where a planet's surface can support liquid surface water. This definition, however, is limited to what we know about the environments on other planets and past and present life on Earth. The prerequisites for life on other planets could be redefined as scientists gain more knowledge and identify new environments where it can survive. Different planet types could influence processes differently, either assisting or impeding habitability. One hemisphere may always face the star on tidally locked planets orbiting low-mass stars in the habitable zone. For instance, some planets might only have sporadic or localized habitable regions on their surface, such as those that regularly experience global glaciations or are mostly desiccated. More thorough models of various planetary conditions are needed to comprehend the range of planetary that could support life and produce detectable biosignatures. Now, as we speak, about 100 light-years from Earth, scientists have observed a pair of exoplanets, and they believe one of them is a strong candidate for harboring life. Amory Triad, who experiments with exoplanets at the University of Birmingham in the UK and is a member of the research team that made the discovery, tells New Scientist's Alex Wilkins that the outer planet is in the inner edge of what is known as the habitable zone, similar to how the Earth is. Liquid can exist on the exterior of a planet in a star's habitable zone. This exoplanet, according to Triad, is the second best candidate for hosting life out of all those discovered in habitable zones thus far. According to a press release, the promising planet is about 40% bigger than Earth and revolves around its star roughly every 8.5 days. According to Laetitia Del Rez, a University of Leeds, Belgium scientist and the paper's lead author, we expect the planet to be rocky based on its size. We have not yet discovered rocky exoplanets as small as 1.4 Earth radii. According to Del Rez, this planet is probably tidally locked to its star, which is why one side of the planet is always illuminated by day and the other by night, as the Earth travels 93 million miles around the Sun. The first livable planet was discovered by a NASA satellite and given the names LP899b or DOI4306. Later, SpaceX confirmed it. According to the team, the planet is approximately 30% larger than Earth. It has an orbital period of just 2.7 days and a radius of more than 5,200 miles. The second planet, also known as SpaceX TWAC or LP899 Century, has long been known to scientists. After examining its features, this planet has proven to be more intriguing. Compared to the first planet, It is slightly farther from its star. With a radius of 5,400 miles, it is also quite big, about 40% larger than the Earth. After discovering the two planets, scientists intend to examine each planet's atmosphere to ascertain how habitable it is. The basis for life is water, and the researchers claim that if the atmosphere gets warm enough, it might hold onto liquid water. The planet's proximity to its sun, which is 3.7 million miles instead of the 93 million miles separating Earth and our sun, is one of its most intriguing characteristics. According to a press release from Francisco Pozuelos, a main paper co-author and researcher at the Institute of Astrophysics of Andalusia, this planet has an orbit that is 10 times closer to its star than Mercury's is to our sun. However, it still receives only a small amount of stellar radiation, which might be enough to support liquid on the planet's surface if it has a strong enough potential. Notably, TOI 1452b, an ocean planet, was found in late August orbiting a binary star system about 100 light-years away. The second recently discovered a planet that falls within the habitable zone sweet spot is SBCULOS. It's all very exciting and could greatly impact our ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. In a press release, Francisco Pozuelos, one of the paper's primary authors and a researcher at the Institute of Astrophysics of Andalusia, hypothesized that the planet might be habitable despite being only 3.7 million miles from its sun. On the other hand, the distance between Earth and our sun is greater than 93 million miles. Even though this planet orbits its star very closely, roughly 10 times closer than Mercury does around our sun, the stellar radiation it receives is still relatively low and could permit the presence of water on the planet's surface if it has a strong enough atmosphere. This is because the star LP 8909 has a surface temperature that is half that of the sun and is 6.5 times smaller than our star. By examining the light levels of thousands of stars, NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite test looks for exoplanets that orbit nearby stars. New planets are found when a planet transits in front of one of the stars, causing the light being observed to dim. After NASA's discoveries, ULIJ scientists used ground-based telescopes to confirm and characterize the planets. According to first author Dr. Angelos Ciaras, it is the only planet outside of our solar system that we are aware of that has the proper temperature, an atmosphere, and water. K218b is not a second Earth because it is a much larger planet with a different atmosphere than ours. It doesn't resemble Earth because it is in orbit around a different star. Although the search for habitable planets is exciting, it is a constant reminder that Earth is our only home, and that it is unlikely that we will be able to travel to other planets. Despite the planet's location in the habitable zone, scientists claim that no signs of life have yet been detected using the currently available instruments. Additionally, many more observations will be necessary to confirm that it is a habitable planet. The researchers will then use the James Webb Space Telescope to determine the composition of the planet's atmosphere, if any. According to Inverse, Webb could help scientists understand the exoplanet's potential for supporting life.